Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a clean Toyota pickup? I think this one might fit the bill. This is the 2015 the Toyota Tundra. Stock number is 7379. And we're going to take you on this virtual video walk around. We're going to show you the exterior condition. Let's have side steps. And we're going to show you, it's the limited edition. Of course, it's going to have leather and fully loaded. Making our way around, you're going to see the impeccable exterior condition. Does have tow package. Warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. You just get more at Sunset Ford. Traveling with friends or family that need to ride in the back, well, guess what? Wants an ample leg room. We're going to show you the interior front from the rear. Easy access with automatic transmission. All your controls are within arm's reach. This vehicle does have low miles, has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. It's got heated seats, leather seats, running boards, four-wheel disc brakes. Power seats, of course, it's fully loaded. For more information on this Tundra or any other Toyotas in our inventory, give us a call, email us, or text us. Bottom line is we look forward to meeting you and earning your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.